Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing about Bosch washing machine error code E17 or F17. What does it mean and how to fix it? The error codes E17 or F17 on a Bosch washing machine indicates a problem with the water supply. Specifically, these codes suggest that the washing machine has exceeded the water supply time. This issue can occur at the beginning of a cycle, during the cycle, or during rinsing. There are several potential causes for this error. One possibility is that the drain is connected incorrectly, causing water to constantly flow out of the tank. Another potential issue is a problem with the water supply, such as closed valve or a twisted hose. Low water pressure can also cause this error as a clogged drain filter. To troubleshoot this issue, there are several steps you can take. First, make sure that the drain is connected correctly and the water supply is turned on and functioning properly. Check for any blockages in the drain filter and clean if it's necessary. If the water pressure is low, try increasing or connecting the appliance to mechanically pumped channels rather than gravity-aided ones. If these steps do not resolve the issue, it may be necessary to replace the fill valve or pressure switch. In some cases, the error may be caused by a problem with the controller or module firmware. In this case, reprogramming the module or repairing or replacing damaged wires may fix the issue. Overall, the E17 or F17 error on a Bosch washing machine indicates a problem with the water supply, and if you are not unable to solve it, it's better that you contact Bosch customer service.